Jesus' name. Pastor Dennis Mukandawile at MIFAMIC. We are inviting you for all-night prayer. Come and experience the power of God and testify for the goodness of God. Hosted by our Father in the Lord, Apostle Moses, and many anointed men of God. Come and see what God is doing in the name of Jesus. I'm telling you, all people of Kitwe, all people of this city, come.
I want to invite you to an overnight that will be happening tomorrow. Moses the Apostle, my father will be in the house, and many other men of God. And there will be power, there will be healing, there will be prophecies and deliverance. It's a night of the prophetic encounter and restoration. Make sure that you come in numbers. Invite your neighbor, invite your brother, invite your sister. Tell everyone about this overnight. It is happening tomorrow, 29th of July. Don't miss out. For more information, check our screen.
Come on, Lena, help me sing.